How to get started with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, earn while promoting products. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online without creating your own product. Simply promote products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels, and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Find affiliate programs related to your niche. Promote products that align with your audience's interests. Use content such as reviews, tutorials, or guides to share your affiliate links. Affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning a commission. Sponsored posts, working with brands to promote their products. Selling digital products, ebooks, courses, or printable. The decision of success or failure is entirely on you when you are in charge of your own business, as is frequently the case with internet ventures. How far you go will depend on your work ethic, discipline, and attitude. Therefore, be sure you're mentally ready to put in the work and have patience for long-term benefits before beginning any online money-making endeavor. Remember, focus on what you're passionate about. Don't get distracted by hype. Choose the methods that work for you. Be prepared to put in the hard work upfront to enjoy passive income later. For details, visit the website mentions below in description.